Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best 360-degree camera of 2020. There was a period when the best 360-degree camera was something you could only find on a movie set. Those times are a thing of the past, as more camera manufacturers and other companies continue to release new 360-degree cameras. Being able to look at your adventures in a new light other than just a boring, old picture is pretty impressive. In fact, some of these cameras are so great that they have taken over some of the best digital cameras, giving you an all-in-one solution, even if you just want to snap some pictures. Here are some of the best 360-degree cameras available for you to consider. 6. GoPro MAX. The GoPro MAX comes from a brand that you know and trust, as GoPro has been on top of the camera game for a while. This 360-degree camera shoots in 5.6K resolution while allowing you to turn those videos into standard 1440p versions. On the durability side, the Fusion is waterproof up to 16 feet so that you can take it anywhere. And with the nifty little touchscreen display, you can ensure that you're always getting the best picture, no matter what you're trying to record. 5. Insta360 Twin Edition. The Insta360 is a unique camera in that the lenses are interchangeable, while still recording in up to 4K resolution. With the IPX8 waterproof rating, this makes it so your 360-degree camera can be submerged in up to 5 meters for 30 minutes. Or, you can grab a dive case if you plan on going deeper into the water. 4. Vuze XR. The Vuze XR is a unique 360-degree camera in that you can actually separate the camera sensors to record in VR. Folding the cameras in provides the traditional 360-degree experience, and you are capable of recording in up to 5.7K at 30 fps, or 4K at 60 fps. Then, you can snap some high-resolution photos, if you're trying to get the perfect picture. 3. KODAK PIXPRO BIT360. 4K is all the rage until 8K arrives, and the KODAK PIXPRO BIT360 hits just about all of the marks. There are two 220MP CMOS sensors, which are mounted in such a way to provide 3 different multi-view angles. You can even have some fun and live stream whatever you're doing with the help of a Wi-Fi connection. 2. 360 Fly 360-degree HD video camera. The 360 Fly 360-degree video camera looks like a modified pokeball at first glance, which is rather convenient as it's comfortable to hold, and you won't lose it. This camera is water-resistant up to 1 ATM and sports 32 GB of onboard storage, along with over 2 hours of battery life. 1. Insta360 EVO. The newest addition to Insta360's repertoire is the EVO and is exceptionally unique with its foldable design. This 360-degree camera folds in half while shooting videos at a resolution of 5.7K and takes 18MP pictures with ease. The versatility offered by the EVO makes it possible to get the best 360-degree video, regardless of the situation.